The fast correction option is used to correct dyeings that do not have a recipe stored in the system. The correction can be based on concentrations or absolute amounts. A recipe can be calculated for the standard if the concentrations are not known. From the main screen, select the Recipe button and then the Fast Correction button from the Recipe toolbar. You can also use the shortcut key F8. First, you have to browse your quality style. We will use the example cotton bleached. Then select your substrate delivery in case there were differences in the substrate properties. We will choose cotton bleached /7. Select your die set by double-clicking it from the list. This will place the die set in the Used Die Sets section of the screen. We will select Reactive Exhaust. To measure a standard, change the Select button to Input mode and type the name of your standard. Right-click on the Browse button and choose Measure from the drop-down menu to measure your sample multiple times. If you only wish to measure your standard once, you may click on the spectral icon directly. The standard can also be retrieved from the database if it was previously measured. We will use this option. Press the Browse Data button and select the desired standard STD Marron. Click on the Die Set tab. Right-click on the Browse button and choose Measure to measure the batch. Then select the dyes present in the batch. Click in the percentage column of each of the dyes and fill in the percentages for each dye. If the exact percentages of what is in the batch are not known, then you can click on Match Batch and let the software calculate the amounts in the batch. You can also input exact amounts if the percentages of the recipe are not known. Click on the appropriate correction type to get your results. The Fast Correction option can also be used to manually store smart match points into the system. The steps involved for this are the same described in this video, with the difference that the user will select lab or production smart match points and press the Save button.